Okay guys, we're in San Bernardino and I'm out of breath. I got an ambulance, a couple cop cars over here. Come over and see it happen. There's cops all over right here. Breath, man. I ran halfway. Yeah, this is a park, San Bernardino, Colton area. 3 cop cars. I got a guy on the ground. Always come over here and record, man, when you see cops. There's something wrong with her. She's upset. They're looking at this tent. So I don't know how she ended up here in handcuffs. But we got a guy over here in a Cadillac. There's a couple other people over here. 1, 2, 3 police cars. So we got over here as quick as we could. I ran halfway. I think he's pointing at that black car. He probably thinks that's my car. Yeah, that's my car. Guy in the Cadillac's got his hand on his chin like he's really thinking. See there, look. He's watching me like, what's that dude doing? We're gonna watch for her safety. So it's for took her blood pressure. So they do have the stretcher out. I don't know if they're gonna take her or not. I tried to get over here as fast as I could, yo. Especially when you see all these police cars, and this is a homeless area. A lot of residentially challenged people here. So I thought I'd get over here quick, see, make sure nothing was, you know. She's talking about she has nothing, she has no man. So all these bags and all these people at her. So we're gonna go ahead and follow them. Here's where it gets tricky. I'm dragging her. Let you guys make your own decision.
I'm trying to kick you. I don't want to go. I don't want to go.
She might be going 50, 150 too. Who knows? So far, they're doing what they can. I'm gonna let you guys decide. I'm not gonna make the decision for you, but you know. Looks like they did what they can. didn't look like they were, excessive. They did what they could. But again, I'll let you guys, I'm not going to speak your mind for you. I just tell you my opinion is they did what they could. And I don't know what they're taking for. It could be a 5150. It could be for drug possession of drugs. Anything. My guess is 5150, by the way she was acting. So what'll happen then is they'll take her to a mental health facility and she'll be held. If she goes 5151, then it'll be 72-hour hold. I think he just said Facebook thing. Yeah, he pointed at me, I think. I don't know what he's talking about. But normally I don't talk to cops unless they talk to me first. Sometimes, if I know the cop, like Ukaipa, I know several of the deputies. Sometimes I'll just say something to them, like, yo, man, what's up, man, or whatever. But these cops, I don't know. I might not get a response. I might get an ugly look, what have you. They had something right there. He threw it on the ground. It's probably nothing. We got this guy. He may be the one that called. She's probably out here having issues. He saw her and decided to call for help. Yep, he looks at me, I look at him. Every time they make eye contact with me, I'm gonna make eye contact back on this one. See if he says anything. I think he said, where'd that man go? I think he said, where'd that man go? Over there. So he's probably gonna go over there. We'll watch him on that one. So they're going through her stuff there. He's going over here, so I want to watch him too. I want to watch her and him. See what he's gonna do. If he gets out of hand over here, we'll jet over there. I'll keep an eye on him, but I want to stay by this car where she's at. Oh, she kicked the window. She's kicking the inside of the car. They should take her 5150. She needs help, man. So just taking her to jail is not gonna work. This guy wanted to say something. Yeah, this guy over here is gonna say something.
If you know anything about pigeons, that pigeon has an ankle chip on. And it's been around for 2 days and it can't get its food on its own. I don't know if it should be somewhere.
Oh, it'll find food.
Is it just been...
Well, it's either somebody's pigeon or maybe from
part of the tracking,
yeah,
like the environmental...
Because I raised pigeons when I was a kid. And you put a band on them, it's your own band. So when you enter it into a show, they write like, oh, G51H for you who you are.
Yeah,
so,
that's what I was thinking. It's probably somebody's personal pigeon because it came 2 days ago and just landed right by me and started staring at me as I gave it bread.
Oh, it's somebody's.
It hasn't gone away.
Yeah.
Anyway, finding out who it could be belong to or...
Nah, there's no...
It's got that chip on it.
Yeah, unless you know what that band number is.
Yeah, no, it gets real close. It'll like get real close, but it won't let you grab it. All right.
Okay, here he comes. So he just walked over there and talked to a guy in a tent. They're over here with her. I'm kind of watching. She's kicking. She kicked that inside of that window pretty good. I don't know if she cracked it or not. But there's a good mark on it. I think, did she crack it? No. Maybe that's from something else, or maybe that's just a mark. Yeah, there's a mark on the window right there. What is that? Oh, dirt? That might be dirt. I don't know. I got this cop walking up behind me.
What's your Instagram?
Oh, Gen Z Report.
Gen Z Report?
The Gen Z Report.
Alright, am I gonna be famous?
Probably. Yeah. I think you guys did okay with what what you could have. I mean, it's probably 5150. So I just had to offer that. I mean, I don't think they were excessive. I think they did what they could. She's 5150. And some people might disagree with me. Some people might go off on me. But look, if she is 5150, sitting out here, that's not doing her any good. No, she needs to get help. And it's bittersweet. It is bittersweet because we don't want her arrested. We don't want her to go in a police car. But if they take her to a hospital or a mental facility, she can get help. She can be logged in 5150 or 5151. The difference, 5150 and 5151, the difference is the hours that they hold them. So they can get her some help, get her some medicine, get her some food. So, I mean, it's a good thing if they take her to a hospital. Did he say they're not taking her to a hospital? She needs to go to a hospital. I don't know. But his name was Stubbs. For those who wonder, that was Officer Stubbs. I kid you not, Stubbs. Or was it Stibbs? I think it was Stubbs. But almost stepped in a gopher hole. So I guess this guy over here knows her. He said she was tripping over nothing. So she might not even be punished. She might just be, upset.
Love you, Auntie. I'll watch the punt.
So I guess everyone out here knows her. It's one of the regulars. I mean, yeah, it's bittersweet. You hate to see the cops do that, but they didn't slam her down. They didn't slap her, push her. They got her in the car. They had to. So. We'll see. But that's why I brought the camera out, so they wouldn't do anything. They're probably gonna be called a bootlicker or whatever. You guys are gonna throw the names out. But I gotta be, fair. But they better take her to a hospital, because if they don't, then that's a. But he said she go into the hospital, and it sounded like he said no, the cop. It almost sounded like he said no. So I don't know. And he's going nowhere. That's a dead end up there. He's going to do a U-turn and come back.